Welcome to a closer look at the Curated Collective's modern luxury, woven leather and wooden rectangle tray that combines solid wood and high-quality leather for lasting durability and a luxurious appearance. This tray features an elegant woven pattern with stylish black handles, adding sophistication to any room. Its versatile design makes it perfect for organizing jewelry, keys, perfumes, or other decorative items in your living room, bedroom, or office. The smooth leather surface and solid wood construction allow for easy cleaning and maintenance. Whether used as a catch-all or serving tray, it brings both functionality and style to your space. This tray also makes a thoughtful gift for housewarmings, weddings, or any special occasion. Elevate your home decor with this beautiful and practical woven leather and wood tray. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.